Hey guys, so this is our setup for our Samsung Frame TV or LG Gallery Series TVs. So what we do is we cut this recessed box into the wall. We have the electrician come to add a proper power outlet. This is our One Connect box where all the HDMI connections and the power comes in. We also have an Apple TV which powers the whole entertainment experience. And then what we do is we send HDMI over Cat 6 to go back to the Sonos amp. So the Sonos amp is what is powering the in-ceiling speakers here. So that's how we're able to send the audio from the TV to the in-ceiling speakers, because with these frame TVs, they put so much effort into making them thin that they don't put any effort into making them sound good. So that's why you need to call us and have us connect your frame TV to your in-ceiling speakers and light up your whole house for AV. Thanks for watching.